shopping season, where actually a lot of people, their pockets will be robbed. And then January and February becomes the depression season. Yeah, high rate of suicides, high rate of problems start after this. Why in Islam we don't have too many celebrations like that? Have you ever thought about this? Because, my brothers and sisters, it is against the spirit, the essence, the philosophy of Islam. Islam has a very different philosophy. And of course, if you want to live like sheep who follow the ways of the others, that's your choice, that's your prerogative. But at least if you want to know deen, if you want to live and follow Islam, then you should know better that this is against the essence of Islamic spirit, the Islamic philosophy.